Okay, so now you've revised and learnt some new stuff about telling the time in Bahasa Indonesian. Your task today is you are going to be writing a sentence about your favourite time of the day. Our sentence heading today is Waktu favourite saya. This means the time which is my favourite. Waktu being time, favourite being favourite, saya being mine. So that's your heading, Waktu favourite saya. Now today I'm going to model you my favourite time of the day, which I told you in the last slide is 9 o'clock in the morning. I wonder if you can wonder why, think about why 9 o'clock might be my favourite time of the day. That's 9 o'clock in the morning. What do you think? You're right. I love my job as a teacher and 9 o'clock is the start of school. So 9 o'clock in the morning is my favourite time of the day. The way we write this is pada jam 9. Remember, we need to use one of these 4 times of the day. Selamat pagi is an AM, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam. We don't use the selamat because that's how we say good morning, good afternoon, good night. We just use the last word, pagi, siang, sore, and malam. Now, because I like 9 o'clock in the morning, my sentence will say pada jam 9 pagi in the morning. Okay? All right. When we're writing about something we like, what's that very special sentence that we use when we say, I like? What is it? Did you say saya suka? You are correct. Saya suka means I like. Saya suka. So we're going to start our sentence today with saya suka. Saya suka. Saya suka. Good. I like. Now, when we're writing the time, we put pada first. That is meaning the time of. Saya suka pada jam. Pada jam meaning the time of, and then we must write the number. So, saya suka pada jam. And we know that Bone loves 9 o'clock in the morning. Pada jam 9. Morning is what? Pagi. Good. There's my sentence. Saya suka pada jam 9 pagi. Now, you might have a few different times of the day that you love. You might like the start of school like I do. You might like the end of school when you get to go and play your sport. Okay? So you might like pada jam 3 and in the afternoon is sore. Remember, we must always put at the end of it the special word that tells the person who's reading it, is it in the morning or the afternoon? Okay? Your job now is to have a go at writing your sentence. Saya suka pada jam. Then you're going to fill it in. The example will be on the next page with the sentence starter. I'm going to go off and draw my picture. And until we meet again, sampai jumpa.